Hey, all you Jakes, go away. Shoot. Come on. I see these two here. Them two there with the birds, with the beards poking straight out.
Yeah.
Those are the ones you hear gobbling. They're like a super Jake. They're born a little bit earlier than the rest. And then you see the other ones got the real short, barely make out their beard. Those are later.
So the other ones are the ones that had the funny little gobble.
Yeah, they got like a real short gobble, and it kind of like good, because they can't do it all at once. They can't finish. That bird right there doesn't know it.
All right, it's bird number 2, Deep South Outfitters. Unfortunately, the shot was just out of frame. That Tom was over here with several Jakes, and I just knew he was gonna come to this decoy, so that's why I had the camera set up. But when I shot, he had just stepped out of frame, which is the same thing that happened yesterday. It's crazy, but you know, we all can't be professionals and get everything caught on video. But I'm in Florida. It's True Osceola right here. Beautiful bird. See how dark those are? That's like the telltale sign of the Osceolas. It's got super long legs, good spurs. This is probably a 3-year-old bird. Good sharp spurs. Looks like maybe a 10-inch beard. I have to measure it. But this is a beautiful, good bird. All right, what's going on YouTube? I'm back from Florida. I'm back home in South Carolina, and you guys saw how my turkey hunts went. Both of them, they played out perfectly. We barely had the call, like almost not at all, and I was just put in the right locations at the right time. I got 2 toms, 2 beautiful Osceolas, and I didn't get the shot from either one on video. You guys already know how this plays out, man. I might need another cameraman, or I may have to set my camera up in a different location or something, because it doesn't work out every time I try. I get super close to it happening, and then it just doesn't work out. But I don't know, we still got some more opportunities, in turkey season is far from over here in South Carolina, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you guys my turkeys that I got right here. This is the first time, the one that I was plucking. Let me see, his beard is in here somewhere. See if I can find it. Here is the beard from that first time. And the thing that was crazy is I was trying to wait for him to strut to get it on video. And right when he went in the strut, he was on the other side of the blind, and I couldn't see him in the frame. He had just walked out of the frame when he started strutting, which it was beautiful, but I just didn't catch it on video, which sucks. And I also didn't get the shot. But yeah, this is a 2-year-old bird. 2-year-old bird, I'm pretty sure. And these are the wings. I'm gonna do a little mount with those wings and the tail and the beard and the feet. But this bird right here, oh wait a minute, this is the head from that first bird as well. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but gonna figure something out. I heard a few taxidermists actually buy the heads from birds that are in good condition, so we'll see what's gonna happen with that one. But this is my bird from this morning. This one was a 3-year-old, and this, look at those legs. These Osceolas are really tall. See how long those legs are? It's crazy. I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like up close, because these turkeys are just really neat animals. This one, we are pretty sure was a 3-year-old. And it's another way telltale sign of Osceola is those dark primary feathers right there. Or just secondaries. Let me Google that real quick. Make sure I don't get it wrong. Oh, the primary, secondaries. But the dark wing tips, dark wings, is a telltale sign of a true Osceola. And we got this one in Florida this morning. And now I'm back home in South Carolina. I drove down there. I'm not too far from Florida. And we got him, got his head wrapped up. My taxidermist told me to do that. It'll help make the mount turn out even better if I didn't get too much blood on the feathers. Look at those feathers. Beautiful. Definitely gonna get this one mounted. I'm not sure how just yet, but I'm gonna do a full mount on this one. And he had a 10-inch beard. The one from yesterday had a 9-inch beard, and this one has a 10-inch beard. But I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I did get. And I personally think it's not all about the shot. Some people do think it is all about that. But it's not to me. I think the footage still turned out pretty good, even though I didn't get that one part of it. And you guys see the end result. I got my birds. That's the main thing. So one of them I'm going to cook up. And then this beautiful one right here, we're going to mount him. And I'll definitely show you guys how he turns out. Gonna go ahead, put him in the freezer for a few weeks, and then I'm gonna talk with my taxidermist and probably ship it out to him. But this is 2020. Just got my first birds of the year. We still got quite a few weeks left to go in South Carolina. And I'm gonna be hunting a few different locations out here, so there will be some more turkey hunting footage on the way. Maybe I'll get a shot of one of those videos, I'm not sure. But just wanted to say thanks to everybody who's watching these videos or supporting my page at all. I really appreciate it. But until next time, you guys, it is Blood, Sweat, and Gears 87. And I will holler at y'all later. Peace.